This is the master bedroom at Fernandos Retreat. One of the things that we want to do when you first enter the bedroom, you'll notice there are some light switches. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to show you. This one operates the light in the corner. Okay, so obviously you can turn that on. It's connected to the plug, but it also has its own remote dimmer switch as well. So you can see, you can change the brightness and dimness. So if you first come in the room and that doesn't work, that's where you will fix that lamp so that it's activated using this switch over here. You can use this switch to activate it. These two switches activate the fan and the lights that are in the room. So as you can see, you've got a fan and a light. If I turn this switch on, right over here, turn this switch on, that light functions. But you also have to have the light on. So the center thing is on. So you can see off by using this switch. Or you have to have this on. You can go on, off using that. The fan, it works exactly the same. You put the fan on or off. On, off. When it's on, you can change the speed of the fan by pulling the fan cord. Okay? All the fans work exactly the same way in Fernandos Retreat. A couple other things I want you to notice about this room is we do have a smart TV that comes with the remote, and you can simply use this remote to turn on your smart TV. So the remote, just like all the other TVs, has an on-off button on the remote, and you can see it's a smart TV. And not only that, you'll notice that next to it, there is an input. So you can decide if I want to use, what I want to use TV, if I want to use HDMI, if I want to use AV, I want to use component. Okay? Keep in mind that we do not have cable television here at any of the houses. We simply allow you to stream. This also has an ensuite bathroom, as you can see. And what's really nice about ensuite bathroom is it comes with a lot of the amenities. But one of the things that I want to point out is please, please, please make sure to use your makeup towel that we provide for you. We make it very clear that we do not want makeup on the normal towels. As you can see, these are the normal white towels. You'll destroy the towels. We provide makeup so that you can use the makeup towel specifically for that purpose, to remove your makeup. The switch for this bathroom is also right here, so you can turn the lights on, and there you go. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-866-322-5487 or email us at info@calivrbo.com.